Tawfiq from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So, Sheikh, growing up, our father has always been indifferent towards us and hesitant to fulfill our monetary needs. Now, in his old age, he has a lot of mental disabilities, including dementia and other things. My siblings and I have left our things, everything to take care of him for the sake of Allah. He wants to give away all of his wealth and not leave us anything, which would put us in a very bad financial state. My question is, do we have any right over his wealth?
Well, this is something you have to refer to the Muslim Qadi to check whether what you're saying is true or not. If a person has reached an age of dementia and he has developed Parkinson or Alzheimer disease where he's unable to recognize what is right and what is wrong, in this case, the judge has the right to ban him from dealing with any of his wealth. So he cannot sell, he cannot buy, he cannot give as gifts, he cannot throw and squander his wealth right, left, and center as he wishes, because he's not classified or labeled as sane. And there is chapters of fiqh that deals with as-safih or as-safah, where a person reaches a stage where he's unfit to control his expenditure and what to do with his wealth. If this is the case, yes, this can be done through the Muslim judge, and they would appoint a trustee or a group of trustees to manage his wealth and his livelihood, and Allah knows best. Bearing in mind that whatever he has done in the past, Allah will hold him questionable, accountable for. He did a sin when he did not take care of you. Now you will be held accountable for how you treat him, because this is your duty and responsibility regardless of how he treated you in the past.